Hello and reanim. Ikerei sipure katon. O sipure kau. At sipue maturuaratske ik. Tsawarik. Tsawarikerots. Tsurikerots. At sipo waturu. Men sokkeik. Sipure epuiti a te korik. Sipure a kuku. A te korik toriare popur. Yo wirin karirarong nan matun. Okay. Nirarong na matun. Pue ipot. Pue kuk ut. Ie watun sipure a. E watu wa feri a i sipure tsakpan. So pue rovi a puro. Ngeke pue kopapa geri verare pek. Tiarap ke papageri verre pek pure pue kafakun. Kusu tsikakave kanirao. Okay. We sipure riraro. Aroro watsak. Yo kariraro. Iwe anaskararik feriteri IkeSÓN. Iwe sepani tu popa mirarokson. Ika ngapoi katon meikavit menit ika senit. Yo kupusin ngeri kunekerin met upasari. Okay, we isa fakuniraro. Inka kawes meriraro katsaksaro. Iwa kagei kaveak diare popur. Iwa kapur. Iratun kaurorop kiwiki. Porque sabutsa kwaro meio karaik pues kapitot. Nore faso sa uruk. Pues pofokun men feten eu wantun. Apur. USSUN poor. Sipure warong kitsawan. Akara met. Met ke kasari veuruken ngeri metots mematun. Rice ika. Corn ika. Suku tiberika. Opotika. Faurutika. Suku roots. Yei power met ngeri rice. Sisa pepper con warong nonna tserun epitota. Yo kawere slurp. We agaripot. Kiso siputaka utsarok saropat. Namatu IkeSÓN puganeri gese konekken. That's a good fruit. January, what are you doing? Oh, it didn't. You put that at sea. Yeah, that's it. Ravate sat me matu. They sa urung warung non. Wait. Nirore fason. Wes city pot. So pare ki sei potu e waturu kereniraro. Nirore fason wes pore I vogo picnic pu satsi pageri. Hi guys. We are eating some McDonald's food. We have Big Mac sandwich. With no sauce, no Mac sauce.
This is good.
What is good?
I love them a lot. Yeah, I love them a lot too. Not really, but a lot.
And we also have McFlurries.
No, that was ice cream.
Sorry.
But it is.
Have you tried French fries with ice cream?
Yeah! Last night I tried that, but Gypsy, it's her fault, made my ice cream
Falling?
Yeah. And then he just stepped on it to the couch.
Oh yeah?
But we was on the floor.
Mm.
Yeah. Because you love to sit on the floor because it's really cold.
Mm.
Me too. We always like floors. Uh-oh. We're getting a bottle. Whew. Close one. It's down the back.
That's marking. That's from my marking.
Mom,
So good.
I'm getting it off. I'm doing it, yeah?
This is Ahoy McFlurry. They're
Those
new
are my
McFlurry.
favorite juice, but they're not your favorite juice. But there is one more favorite myself. Why it's not sticking on?
Go, baby.
No, I won't.
You got it?
Kaya, sino ka rin nagtinagtano?
Yeah.
The soy me. Mama. Mom, and I said hamburger too.
이렇게 구워줬으나겠어.
You just buy on your one? You already buy on yours? And mine? Where is mine now?
Oh, chalo,
Full one. Full one.
Wala margaraya. Karay. Sorry.
I feel higher. Ice cream?
Yeah. I really want
Yak! What? Huh? Sure.
What? Sarap ang sabat. Senorita.
I want to go with you.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Sakun. Sakut. Hekäret sä vähän tokkeukkoriksukea. Me käymme karuskorikineria. So perään pekkorikki. Opo.
Can we go to our mud?
Not mud. The water.
Over
In the
there.
water.
Yeah.
Dapat dorong.
Yeah.
It's not. It's a convenient. It's not a sun. Okay. Water kids with for fomo. Fomo. Me or cara cover for fomo. Eu sura reveri pura. Ngeveve ya yue. Suka keika vet. Eu sumetsu kiwa pari eu su reveri rod me korik ikaron nöra. Irmen mirato. Panom no korik iwe paramat. Karan. Katori rausura ar foto ki pura. Usupwa pura vetsuk. Katon no korik no nöra. It has to be in the water. Kesari, etsep ika pura.
No, I only like dipping.
Kesari tipen. That's
I
etsep.
like it because they're the best of the dippings.
The best.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
the best of dipping. Yeah.
I hope you guys liked today's video or today's vlog. Once again, thank you for watching my videos, and I'll be back with more and more videos. I would say we are still learning how to edit, how to post every day, how to vlog, but yeah, we're getting better. No worries. Jenner, you want to say bye?
Bye, everyone.
Okay. Bye, guys. Peace.
Bye, cookies.
Bye, Jukies.
Babon say that poop pasta is cookies and Nadia has candy because Halloween because Nadia give me Halloween candies.
Wow. Okay. Bye.